Hey everybody, how's it going? This is the Midwest Fan Collector here with another fan video. Today I'll be showing you a Tori the Fan Man special. It's a Galaxy. It's a Galaxy box fan. Yep, it's a pretty neat little fan. Typical early mid-90s Lasco Galaxy box fan. And oh my god, it's got a handle on it.
Not the right handle.
There's the motor. Alright folks, we'll start off on low. It's got a nice low speed. Now we'll go to medium. There's high. It's got a nice coast down time.
That's a well-oiled machine.
Well folks, I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, more to come later. God bless.